Hello, good evening.
मैम जी आपने आज
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
How are you all?
गुड मैम।
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
Good evening, Mamta. How are you?
फाइन मैम।
गुड
That's great.
इवनिंग मैम।
Good evening. So, आज के
Good
सेशन का
evening,
गोल
ma'am.
that we will not just answer a cue card. हमारा गोल क्या है कि हम एक स्टोरी टेलर बनेंगे। रिमेम्बर, एक चीज आपको हमेशा याद रखनी है कि कभी भी एग्जामिनर ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू अवॉर्ड यू अ हायर बैंड बिकॉज आप डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स को यूज कर रहे हो। वो हमेशा आपको हायर बैंड स्कोर्स तब देते हैं जब आप अपने आइडियाज को डेवलप करते हो, नेचुरली कनेक्ट करते हो अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस को, एंड देन यू कीप ऑन स्पीकिंग कॉन्फिडेंटली, नेचुरली स्पीक करना। वी स्टार्टेड विद क्यू कार्ड अ डे बैक, राइट? Today also we will be covering some cue cards, some different cue card based on the past experiences, जब आपको past के बारे में ज्यादा डिटेल देनी है। Most of the time these cue cards are based on only the past topic. So you will learn today कि कैसे आप कोई भी simple कोई भी activity आ जाए आपके पास, you have to describe this activity you did in the past, कैसे उस एक्टिविटी को आप एक मीनिंगफुल और एक एंगेजिंग स्टोरी में कन्वर्ट करो। So by the end of this session, you will be able to speak continuously for 2 minutes without running of the ideas. जिनके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम है that they do not have ideas, आज का सेशन सिर्फ और सिर्फ उन्हीं के लिए है। बिकॉज आज मैं आपको आइडिया जनरेशन पे भी वर्क कराने वाली हूँ कि आइडियाज आपको कैसे जनरेट करने हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज कैसे करना है, ये आपको पता है बिकॉज यू हैव दैट स्ट्रक्चर। यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट पास्ट, देन प्रेजेंट, देन एग्जाम्पल, कोई भी स्पेसिफिक एग्जाम्पल आपका फ्यूचर। इन चारों के थ्रू आप अपने आइडियाज को लॉजिकली कनेक्ट करते हो। यू हैव टू मूव बियॉन्ड व्हाट हैपेंड ओनली, क्योंकि देखो आपका जो क्वेश्चन आता है उसमें आपके पास 4 बुलेट पॉइंट्स होते हैं, विच इज नॉट मैंडेटरी टू कवर बट दीज आर सजेस्टेड टू कवर, राइट? सो यू शुड ऑलवेज ऐड अ रिफ्लेक्शन, प्रेजेंट का ऐड करो, फ्यूचर का ऐड करो, इससे आपकी वाइड रेंज ऑफ ग्रामर एग्जामिनर को दिखती है, ठीक है? एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प योर रिस्पॉन्स टू साउंड मोर मेच्योर, मोर नेचुरल। That means you're not talking only about the parts, you have the flexibility, you have that ability that you can expand your ideas. Always, one more thing, always add lexical resources naturally. That means अगर हम band 7 वाली vocab पे वर्क कर रहे हैं, अनकॉमन वर्ड्स पे वर्क कर रहे हैं, हम उसे यूज करेंगे नेचुरल वे में, नॉट मेमोराइज्ड। सम स्टूडेंट्स दे लर्न फैंसी वर्ड्स बट उन्हें ये नहीं पता होता कि उसका यूज कैसे करना। सो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट। बहुत सारे बैंड 6 वाले स्टूडेंट्स हैं, they just stop on one simple sentence, like suppose I planted some trees, it was fun, I enjoyed it। सिर्फ यहीं पे अटक जाते हैं, ये ऐसे 3 सेंटेंसेस सिंपल सिंपल बोल के, I did this, it was fun, I enjoyed it। No, you have to expand your ideas, right? So you have to see the difference between band 6 and band 7 अगर आपका टारगेट 7 है तो, राइट? band 7 वाले जो आंसर होते हैं, दे डोंट जस्ट टेल यू कि क्या हुआ, दे टेल यू व्हाई इट मैटर्ड ऑल्सो। सो यू हैव टू आंसर विद ऑल द पर्सपेक्टिव, सारी चीजें, क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट इट, व्हाट चेंज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, व्हाट विल यू डू नेक्स्ट। all these all these questions has to be answered in your cue card. This is a straight away a success formula for your cue card. अब देखो, जब हम पास्ट बता रहे हैं, वी आर एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट अ स्टोरी जो ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है। वाई वॉज इट इंपॉर्टेंट, आप उसका सिग्निफिकेंस बताते हो, उसकी इंपॉर्टेंस बताते हो आज भी, बिकॉज यू रिमेंबर दैट थिंग। हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट इट, दैट मीन्स यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट एग्जाम्पल, वो स्पेसिफिक चीज जो आपको अभी भी याद है, उससे कुछ चेंज हुआ हो आपकी लाइफ में, दैट मीन्स द प्रेजेंट रिफ्लेक्शन। Then what will you do next? That means you're talking about your future plan, your opinion. So if you answer all these things naturally, you have already moved closer to the band 7 plus. Got this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So make
Yes, ma'am.
sure that you will be able to speak naturally without memorizing anything. You have to develop every idea. कुछ भी idea आपके पास है, you have to develop that idea with reasons, examples. You have to use a mix of past, present, future accurately. ठीक है? You need to be sound more confident and engaging also. Just leave what the examiner is thinking. You have to go. You have to speak. Because
I have
what
a question.
examiner will be thinking when you answer all these questions, na? So examiner, what their mindset is that this candidate is not just answering the questions जो Q card में दिए है, he is also sharing the real experiences. This is what we feel. अगर आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो 4 क्वेश्चन के आंसर देते हो Q card में, so we feel like कि आपने सिर्फ उन 4 क्वेश्चन के बारे में ही तो बात करी, you are not going beyond that. So if you talk about all the 4 perspectives, that means you are actually talking about your real experience. You're talking naturally. Yes, Kirat.
Are we supposed to use contractions in our IELTS exam or no?
Yes, you only in the speaking. Only in the speaking.
Only in speaking.
Yes, because
Okay.
speaking is informal, you can use, not in writing. Writing only in the case of when you have letter writing, and that letter writing is basically informal
Informal.
letter writing, not all letters. When it comes to formal and semi-formal, you are not allowed to use contractions. Okay. So the golden rule for band 7 plus is that you will not just describe the event, you will be talking about that experience in detail. Don't talk about what happened. You have to talk about why it mattered, what it taught you, how changes has been done because of that one thing. यही डिफरेंस होता है बैंड 6 वाले आंसर में और बैंड 7 में. क्लियर? गुड टू गो? लेट्स स्टार्ट.
Yes.
अच्छा, I'm giving a 30 seconds challenge. Just 30 seconds. ठीक है? You have to tell a meaningful story, what you did, why it mattered, how it changed you. I'm just writing a topic here. Any one of you who would like to initiate, they can. Describe a time when you helped someone.
Me.
Yes, please. Who would like to speak?
I think somebody said me. Like
Yeah,
somebody.
even I was looking for that person who said me.
Okay. Maybe I can get started then.
Yes.
Mm. Describe a time last time. Okay. Last time you helped someone. There are a couple of occasions like when I help a lot of people, and after helping them, I feel really good. Here, I was gonna talk about the time like when I helped one of my friend. Actually, he was having hard time while preparing for his maths exam. The thing was there was a lot of work to be done, and because of him having, you know, uh, mm, but because of him having a very weak I forgot the word, but
Now,
because
always
of
when you look at the topic, try to answer the 4 questions. Now, we are building idea generation today. We know that how we need to speak, we need to talk about past, present, example, and future. But always just have 10 seconds to think, because next 30 seconds you have to speak. This is a challenge for you. Answer these 4 questions. Who did you help?
Yeah.
What did you do? Why did you help them? How do you feel
Okay.
afterwards?
Okay.
Who, what, why, and how? Always answer this question. These 4 The last time I helped someone who was about 2 weeks ago,
Yeah.
when I helped my elderly neighbor carrying the grocery bag upstairs. She looked tired, so I immediately offered my assistance. She thanked me with a warm smile, and we had a pleasant conversation. It made me feel happy because I believe small act of kindness can brighten someone's day. Whenever you're speaking, you need that you will be looking for those 4 questions in the idea generation part. And please do not start with those students who has a habit. Today I would like to talk about a someone I helped is this and this. No, please do not start with that. It is actually a memorized statement. You can directly talk about it that last time I helped someone was this and this person, and it was a day before. It was 2 weeks ago. It was last month. जब भी हुआ. Who did you help? What did you do? 30 सेकेंड्स का स्पीकिंग टाइम है अभी आपके पास. अब हेल्प बतानी है आपने किसकी हेल्प करी है, तो यू मस्ट बी टेलिंग कि कौन था वो पर्सन, आपने क्या हेल्प करी, क्यों हेल्प करी, आपको क्या फील हुआ. नेक्स्ट वन. यस केतन.
Well, there are several
No,
times
no,
I help.
not this topic, Ketan. The different one. Describe one social problem in your city.
Well, there are multiple problems in my city, but here I would like to talk about a particular issue that is
Now,
traffic
again, Ketan,
congestion.
you started with one memorized statement. There are multiple problems in city. Today, I would like to talk about one problem. You can simply start with that one major social problem is this.
Okay.
ठीक है?
So,
Start again. Now, always take that 10 seconds. सबसे पहले ये सोचो कि problem है क्या? What is that social problem? ट्राई टू आंसर दोस. जब आपके पास आइडियाज नहीं आ रहे, आपको सोचना है कि वो प्रॉब्लम है क्या. वो प्रॉब्लम अगर आपने सोच ली तो वो प्रॉब्लम आपने देखी कहां पर है, और वो प्रॉब्लम है क्यों. व्हाई इज इट अ प्रॉब्लम. देन व्हाट यू कैन डू टू सॉल्व इट. और अगर वो सिटी की प्रॉब्लम है, व्हाट पीपल कैन डू, व्हाट गवर्नमेंट कैन डू टू सॉल्व इट.
Ma'am, can not having a public transportation
Yes,
is a
any
social problem?
problem. Yes, any social problem. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Ketan?
Yes. So when you have a lack of good transportation, you can talk about it. Ketan, what was your problem? Like what social problem you were about to talk?
traffic congestion.
Traffic congestion?
Yes.
Yes. So start. Now you got an idea that you will be talking about traffic congestion. अब है कहाँ पर ट्रैफिक कंजेशन, आपने व्हाट डिसाइड कर लिया, वेयर डू यू यूजुअली सी इट.
In my city.
No doubt it will be in city, but it will be near the schools, near the market, near your area. Where exactly? You have to mention.
Near the market.
Now why? Why is it a problem? Problem क्यों है ये? ट्रैफिक कंजेशन एक प्रॉब्लम क्यों है?
Because majority of people के पास अपना private vehicle है.
Yes.
फिर
और
narrow paths है.
yes. Now what
फिर
can people, what can government do to solve it?
government should be implement some steps that mitigate this issue.
Correct.
For example, they implemented odd numbers cars and vehicles in a particular weekends or weekdays, so that this issue mitigate
Hmm.
as much as government can.
Hmm. Yes, good. Now, can you speak the whole answer for 30 seconds?
Well, main major issue in my hometown is traffic congestion.
Hmm.
This is mainly because there are narrow paths in my in my city. Apart from this, I would say government should be implemented some strict rule in order to mitigate this particular issue. Government can be implement one particular rule that uh, I I have in my mind, that is government should be encourage people to drive their odd number cars in a weekends. If people have necessary work, then they use their public transportation. Otherwise, they can use public transportation such as bus, train, etc.
Okay, well tried. Yes, Ruxana, question for you.
Yes, ma'am. That's very same question.
No. Describe an act of kindness you witnessed. Describe one act of kindness you witnessed. Now you have to start
Wow.
thinking. What happened? कब देखी आपने वो? कौन इन्वॉल्व था उसमें? कहाँ पर देखी आपने? How do you feel about it? Act of kindness could be any examples? Yes, everyone.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Okay, let's take an
last year,
examples first. Let's take an example first. When do we usually witness this act of kindness? Any
Somebody's in
ideas?
trouble.
Yes? Mhm.
And somebody's in trouble.
Yes.
Like
So you're
I have
helping that.
my friends, they help the people like who are kind of depressed or like they're alone. So they reach them out and then talk to
Can
them so they could feel better.
Yes. And any more
Ma-
examples? Yes.
Madam, road accident.
And
So if you're helping that person, then again it's an act of kindness. Or
When someone offers something to the needy ones.
yes, like I help my elderly neighbor.
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
You're sharing a lunch with your friends.
yeah.
That is
Ma'am,
also
Yes.
an act of kindness. You're
is it
returning
necessary
something, a
that
lost item, you're returning to that person. You're helping any elderly people. These are all an act of kindness. Yes, Kirat.
is it necessary
yes,
that all of these stories have to be turned out good?
Sorry, have to be done.
Is it have to be like all of these stories have to like end up in a good way, or like it can just end up being real bad too?
It's really okay, whatever you're speaking, but you should be talking about first the act of kindness.
Now,
Then if you
suppose
want to
like I
talk about
start with the
yes.
story like about act of kindness, like somebody helps the person because he's a kind person and all, and then like after helping them, all of these things, like it turned out to be a bad experience for the guy who was helping them because he got in trouble for because of the other guy.
They are not judging your ideas. Let me tell you one thing. They never judge your ideas. They're only judging your speaking ability. So even if you want to turn the topic, you can.
uh,
Yes. Okay. Yes, Ruxana, your turn.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, okay. The traveling to
You're not audible.
city center with my husband and sorry, yes. Last, I will start again. Last weekend, we were traveling to the center of city for shop something like grocery, and all of the sudden on the road. We crashed into another bike and fell down. There was some people who were observing us. Actually, these was women who were actually she they were beggars, so they come near us and help me in standing. I saw them and I was very grateful because there was many other people who were observing us, but not single one come to help us. So I said them thank you and appreciate them. That was an act of kindness that I observed, and I think kindness can be in any person's heart, uh, no matter he's educated or uneducated, what profession they have. Uh, kindness actually uh, identify and
Clock
humanity.
and 30 seconds, Ruxana. Okay, now let's do one more. Describe a time when you stood up for someone. Now we will be speaking for the 2 minutes, not 30 seconds. Step number one will be that how you're going to build your ideas. सबसे पहले, whenever you read any topic, I'm talking about the beginners who need that 1 minute to speak about it. What are your thoughts when you look at the topic? Describe a time when you stood up for someone. क्या
Ma'am, it's
कभी
relating to
किसी
past.
क्या कभी किसी फ्रेंड को गलत ब्लेम किया गया हो? क्या आपने कभी स्कूल या ऑफिस में किसी को सपोर्ट किया हो? किसी को बुली होते हुए देखा हो?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
हम्म अगर आपको
Very
पता
much.
हो
Yes, ma'am.
कि कोई इनोसेंट है, क्या आप उसके लिए बोलेंगे?
Definitely.
So what you will be thinking first is the step number one will be idea building. You have to think कि क्या आपने कभी भी किसी भी फ्रेंड देखा हो ऐसी सिचुएशन में, स्कूल में, ऑफिसेज में, यू ऑल आर वर्किंग, यू ऑल आर गोइंग टू योर कॉलेजेस,
ऑफिस
किसी को यस
ऑफिस
किसी को बुली होते हुए देखा हो, एंड देन यू फील लाइक दैट दिस पर्सन इज इनोसेंट एंड यू नीड टू स्टैंड अप फॉर दिस पर्सन. सो व्हाट विल बी द पॉसिबल आइडियाज? कोई क्लासमेट हो जिसे wrongly blame कर दिया and you're going to defend that. You're supporting a colleague during your office meeting. You are actually standing up for your siblings. कोई elderly person हो, like some people they treat the elderly person rudely also. So you are helping them. We usually when we travel on the public transport, then people do argument that I want to sit here, I want to sit here, and you supported someone, that means you stood up for that person. You helped a customer who was like blamed unfairly in a shop. होता है ना?
इसमें
Yes or no? So
Yes.
first thing will be idea. आइडिया आना बहुत बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. So you all decided your ideas? Done
Yes.
with the ideas?
इसमें
You decided one
Yes.
ideas. Maybe किसी ने फ्रेंड के लिए स्टैंड अप लिया होगा, किसी ने अपने ऑफिस कोलीग के लिए लिया होगा, किसी ने किसी कस्टमर के लिए लिया होगा, और किसी ट्रैवलर के लिए, स्टूडेंट के लिए, सिबलिंग के लिए, एनी. सेकेंड स्टेप विल बी यू हैव टू राइट दैट नोट्स. अब नोट्स कैसे लिखेंगे? यू हैव वेरी लिमिटेड टाइम. You will be only writing the keywords. सबसे पहले वो person क्या था? फ्रेंड था, क्लासमेट था, colleague था, sibling था. Second thing, वो place क्या था? Are you traveling at that time? You were in college, you were in office. वो place क्या था? Then you have to decide the time. It was about last month. It was about yesterday. It was about 2 years ago. Think about that. कि वो प्लेस क्या था, टाइम क्या था, देन प्रॉब्लम क्या हुई थी, क्यों यू, व्हाई डिड यू स्टूड अप फॉर दैट पर्सन, प्रॉब्लम क्या थी, क्या उसे रॉन्गली ब्लेम किया गया था, बुली किया गया था, was it an argument, or he was falsely accused by someone? Then you need to think about the action. फिर आपको वो सिचुएशन बतानी है. ये सारा क्या है? This is all past. You have to tell the truth. You have to explain the situation. Even if you do not came across, तब भी आपको बोलना तो पड़ेगा. Because IELTS में it's not that you have experienced that thing only, then you have to speak. You have to generate your ideas. Then उसका result क्या हुआ था? Final outcome. How did you feel about it? आपका फ्रेंड जो है वो innocent prove हुआ, नहीं हुआ? The another person, he apologized, not apologize. आपको feeling क्या रहे? You feel proud, you feel confident that you helped someone, you feel happy. So generate your real life example before moving to कि हम past, present, future के बारे में बात करेंगे. You have to think about the ideas first. When you focus on that first 20-30 seconds, the idea building and the notes, you can speak for the next 2 minutes with that structure. Start kare. Who is going to talk about past, present,
Ma'am,
example, future?
ma'am, me.
हाँ, just 1 minute. So remember, आपके पास सिर्फ 1 मिनट का टाइम होता है. You have to focus कि आपने not just talking about those 4 bullet points. आप जब भी मेरी क्लास अटेंड करोगे, you will not find the bullet points. You will only be looking at the topic. Have I write the bullet points here? No,
No.
not at all. Because my focus is only on describe a time when you stood up for someone. So when you're talking about the time you stood up for someone, you will no doubt be covering each and everything. Because when you're talking about past, you're adding that detail. When you're talking about present, you're adding a present reflection. You're giving a specific example, and you're also talking about your future plan. Right? So it
Yes,
should
ma'am.
be with a present reflection. It should be a strong ending with the future lesson. Any opinion you feel, you have to describe your emotions in very detail when you're adding a specific example. ठीक है? Try to avoid short sentences. Develop your ideas by adding more detail to it. Yes, Asifa.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Mm,
Yes.
um,
Hmm.
I still remember 7 years ago, I was in my native village and I saw uh, a family whose parent was dead in road accident, and the elder sister couldn't uh, start legal action against the driver, and all other male family members are scolding him and depress him that she couldn't file any complaint against the driver. Then I stood for that family. I fight with the male elders, and I encouraged that girl that she could file a complaint against the driver, and I was continuously convincing her. After 1 month, I filed a petition in court, and with the direction of court order, complaint registered against the driver. And after summoning the driver and challan submitting, the he was court order to the driver accused. He compensate the aggrieved family, and when the poor family received compensation from the accused, I was relaxed, and I think if I didn't take a stand for the poor family, and the poor family couldn't receive compensation from the accused.
Good, well tried. So how was Asifa's answer? Yes. How was Asifa's answer?
Pretty good.
Yes.
I think
There
she
was,
talked
yes.
with fluency.
But there was
And
not fluency maintained. There were pauses. When it comes to talking about the first parameter, yes, there was lack of fluency. There was lack of coherence. Even lexical resources was not that uncommon. She used the basic one. Then grammatical range and accuracy. No doubt there were grammatical errors. Anyone who can
Yes,
talk about it? So she
Can
talked
I, ma'am?
about when she stood up for someone, a very close in her native village. They sadly lost their life in a road accident, and the accident was actually caused by a careless driver, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So the sister of that family wanted to seek just justice, but she did not know how to file a police complaint or how to deal with that legal process. And the family was, you can say, the family was also financially weak. They were actually unfamiliar with the system. They felt helpless. Now
Yes,
today,
ma'am.
now you talked about past, talking about the present, because you know that the entire story you remember now also. So today, whenever I think about that accident, I feel proud that I didn't remain silent. It taught me that standing up for others is not just like you're offering an emotional support. It means you're taking that responsibility and you're helping them through the difficult situations. Example, you talked about that how you help. You filed a police complaint against the driver, then for the few months regularly visited the police station, the court follow up the case. Then you talked about all this, jo bhi hua. The court found the driver responsible to that accident, and then they receive a financial compensation, right? So that compensation,
Yes, ma'am.
it became a great support for all of them during that extremely difficult period. If I hadn't stood up for them, आपने बोला था didn't, couldn't, right? If I
Yes, ma'am.
hadn't, if I had not stood up for them, they might never have received the justice and the compensation which they really deserve, right? तो प्लीज अपने सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर पे थोड़ा सा फोकस करेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay, let's start with another, not the same cue card, because see, you will never have a chance to speak the same one. You already gotten ideas from someone who was speaking. So it's always better to talk about a different topic and start with the idea generation. Okay, who would like to speak? This is the recent cue card, which even came, I guess, 10 to 15 days back in the IELTS exam. Who would like to speak first? Because I'm only going to share once this person will tell.
Ma'am, I'll speak now.
Okay. So, Kushal, this one is for you. Describe a time when technology disappointed you. Now, you have to talk about your ideas first. Just think about your ideas कि कभी ऐसा हुआ हो आपका phone, आपका laptop, any of the technological device, any of the gadget you have, it stopped working
Ma'am, while I am giving presentation in front of my clients, at that time my laptop was not working.
So he has that idea. Very nice. ठीक है, ऐसा हुआ हो कि आपका इंटरनेट कनेक्शन लॉस्ट हो गया हो ड्यूरिंग योर ऑनलाइन क्लास, एनी ऑफ योर मीटिंग?
Yes, ma'am. There is no charge in my laptop. I forgot to.
एग्जैक्टली। आपकी कोई एप्लीकेशन क्रैश हो गई हो जब आपको वो यूज करनी हो,
Yes.
आपकी कोई इंपॉर्टेंट फोटोज, कोई फाइल्स लॉस्ट हो गई हो बिकॉज ऑफ द टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम इन योर फोन, इन योर लैपटॉप, आपकी ऑनलाइन पेमेंट कोई फेल हो गई हो, even though you have enough money, but because of the technology. So you need to ask yourself all these questions कि कब हुआ मेरे साथ जब टेक्नोलॉजी ने मुझे डिसअपॉइंट किया।
Yes.
ठीक है, यूएसबी ड्राइव कभी करप्ट हो गई हो, किसी का स्मार्ट टीवी कभी काम करना बंद कर जाए, जीपीएस कभी आपको रॉन्ग रूट शो कर दे, वीडियो कॉल्स they just froze during your important meeting. Even we also face this problem. होता है ना, sometime when a person is speaking and we are not able to hear them. So even
Yes,
I
For
tell
ma'am.
this,
them that you have to
I have
type.
an interesting story for this one.
So what you need to do is सबसे पहले आइडिया सोचो, वो आइडिया क्या है आपका, then think about your notes. नोट्स में सबसे पहले वो टेक्नोलॉजी है क्या, लैपटॉप है, फोन है, कौन सी
GPS.
डिवाइस है आपकी, देन ये हुआ कब आपके साथ, यू हैव टू डिसाइड दैट टाइम। अगेन लास्ट ईयर, लास्ट डे, 2 days, 4 days, 5 days, वो प्लेस क्या था, कब हो रहा था, प्रॉब्लम क्या हुई, उसका रिजल्ट क्या हुआ, हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट दैट, यू वर एक्चुअली स्ट्रेस, यू वर एक्चुअली एम्बैरेस्ड अबाउट इट, व्हाट डिड यू लर्न फ्रॉम दैट लेसन, क्या है, दैट यू हैव टू कीप अ बैकअप or not? Yes, who is speaking? Yes, Kushal, can you start now?
Yes, ma'am. Last week, when I was in my workplace, at that time my manager gave me
Just
a
wait
task
1 minute. Everybody has to be on mute now, and everybody will be listening to what he's speaking. Correct? Because I'm going to ask anyone what did he spoke. Yes, Kushal, please start.
Last week, when I was in my workplace, at that time my manager gave me a task to present in front of the clients about the new project. At that time, within a time limit, without checking my laptop, I gave my presentation in front of those potential clients. During the presentation, my laptop was not able to work due to the charging problem. Instantly, I felt very depressed and I hesitated. Due to that, client was not happy about my performance. Right now, I take it for initiate about that incident, and every time I carry a power bank to my office, it helps me to give instant energy while I am giving any presentation, and also without a station I give presentation with anyone, and I am not repeating those kind of problems in these days. It helps me to learn many things. It is not a just normal project. That project depends on the many employees, but I lose my job within that second. For instance, yesterday I gave a presentation due to all accessories. It helped me very lot to promote a team lead. In future, I would not repeat all those kind of small mistake, as it helps me to stay in my office in long run, and people are in my office, they often feel proud about me. While I'm giving presentation, my manager always encourage without uh, giving any kind of negative feedbacks about me. He understand my problem, and he gave me a great motivation. That's it.
Yes. How was his answer? Yes. Good story?
It was good. Yeah, ma'am, it was good.
Story was good.
Hmm.
But I couldn't follow him like while he was switching to the different points because I think connectors
Mm-hmm.
maybe.
Sharper.
Yes.
Power bank.
Who is speaking in between? Sakshi, is this you? So he talked about his laptop, what happened to him when technology really disappointed him. It happened few days ago at his workplace when my manager assigned me an important project with a strict deadline. He was working very hard. You can talk, you can just change your ideas, you can add more detail to it. My laptop suddenly stopped working because of a charging problem. The battery died and I couldn't switch it on. Add more emotions to it. I worked very hard for several days and prepared a detailed presentation for the client. However, just as I was about to begin my presentation, my laptop suddenly stopped working. Then he switched to the present part. That was good. Today I always carry my laptop charger. I check all my devices before attending my any important meeting. This experience taught me that preparation is not just about completing the work, it's always about making sure that your technology is ready. Okay, so you have become much more organized and careful now. Try to add more vocabulary. ठीक है, lexical resource तभी तो improve होगा. For example, for instance, आप कोई भी specific अपना example दे रहे हो. I felt extremely stressed because the client was waiting for my presentation. I was worried that I might lose the project or even my job because it was not an ordinary assignment. Although the client was disappointed, my manager stayed calm. Instead of criticizing me, he encouraged me to stay confident, motivated. I fixed the issue, completed the presentation, and just I did that. I successfully presented the project with all the necessary accessories. The client appreciated my work. Even my manager praised my efforts, which eventually lead to my promotion. In the future, I will never repeat this mistake. I will always check my laptop charger and other accessories before any meeting or presentation. This experience, it taught me that technology can fail at any time, right? But a positive attitude can help you overcome these unexpected challenges. And as I said, add more details, more feelings, why these things matter to you. जब आप पास्ट की बात करो, प्रेजेंट की बात करो, फ्यूचर करो, always added more. ठीक है? Now I'm giving you another topic. Who would like to speak? Harshit, you raised your hand. Will you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Describe a volunteer activity you participated in. सबसे पहले ideas. Now, what is the meaning of volunteer activity?
Ma'am,
Without
an activity that
without
you
any
can.
incentive.
Yes, because you should know the meaning. It
Yes, ma'am.
means you're talking about any activity जब आपने किसी की help करी हो, किसी भी person की, किसी की भी, the community also, without getting paid. Right? Am I right or wrong? You're
Yes,
not
ma'am.
expecting any money, you're not expecting any reward, but you're actually helping that person or that society or that community, anyone. You're willing to do that work without any money. So that is called as volunteer activity. Now you need to think about the ideas. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने किसी की हेल्प करी हो without getting paid? कोई क्लीनलीनेस ड्राइव में, कोई प्लांटेशन कैंपेन में, कभी आपने क्लोथ्स डोनेट करे हो, फूड डोनेट करा हो, बुक्स डोनेट करी हो, स्कूल में कभी करा हो ऐसा, कॉलेज में, इन योर अपार्टमेंट, इन योर कम्युनिटी, कोई चैरिटी इवेंट एंड इवन द ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप, कहीं पर भी? यस, एनीवन हु डिड दैट? लेट मी जस्ट नो फर्स्ट. Anyone?
During floods,
Yes?
or
Ma'am.
during floods, natural
Yes.
disaster.
During the floods, if you have donated the food, the clothes.
We plant many trees.
Yes, Mazu?
We plant many trees.
हाँ, tree plantation drive, yes. That is also a volunteer activity. School में charity करना. Animal shelter is also a volunteer activity. You're teaching someone. You're
मैम
teaching the
एक
children without taking money. Yes.
मैम ईद इवेंट्स पे ऑन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में मतलब एक वो लेडी है उनके ड्रेसेस स्टिच कर देती हूँ.
तो you have to decide कि वो एक्टिविटी क्या है सबसे पहले. देन व्हाट टाइम, कहाँ पर, कब करी थी आपने वो एक्टिविटी, कब आप एंगेज हुए उसमें, प्लेस क्या था, ऑर्गेनाइज किसने करी थी, काम क्या था, हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट इट, व्हाट लेसन डिड यू लर्न फ्रॉम दैट? यस हर्षित.
So here I would
Listening and will be on the mute. Virat, please mute yourself. Yes.
today I'm talking about the Swachh Bharat campaign um, uh, that I'm being a volunteer in this campaign, which is organized by my university. It was around 2 years ago. Me and lots of my friend and batchmates are voluntarily participated in this campaign. It is about uh, the collection of plastic wastage such as polythenes and snack packets and other kind of non-biodegradable based materials. So we have to report at 5 a.m. sharp on this. It was, I think it was Sunday. So we report at 5 a.m. Then we have to we have this guidelines from our professors that this campaign is around our university area, yeah, around 1 kilometer radius. So we have to cover this much area in about 4 hours. So after that, we all volunteers go together and collect the waste in dustbin. Lots of dustbins there are. So we have to collect the waste material in this dustbins. And after the closing of the these campaign, we also receive an lecture from our vice chancellor that why the hygiene and this campaign is important for our society because it can prevent the diseases like malaria and plague, because these are spread by the insect that loves uh, to reside in the um, waste waste, full of waste lands. So at that time, I also learned such certain things like we have to carry our waste. We don't have to throw the waste here and there. We uh, yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what would you like to do in future? You can
In
add
the
it
near
in this.
future, I
If you're going to talk about future, you will not be running out of your ideas. So you talked about a volunteer activity you participated during your university days, your college days. It was a Swachh Bharat campaign which was actually organized by your university to promote. अब देखो आपने बताया, you can talk about it. वो organize क्यों किया गया था? Just adding a more detail to promote cleanliness and environmental awareness. My friends and I volunteered for the campaign because we wanted to contribute to a cleaner community. The event took place. Instead of saying that we have to report at this time, I came at this time, just try to work on the sentence structure. You were asking na ma'am कि मैं 6.5 पे था 7 पे कैसे आऊं? So these are the things. Instead of saying that I reached there, my friends reported there, the event took place on Sunday and we were asked to report at 5 a.m. sharp. है ना? जब आप vocabulary पे focus करोगे, once you're focusing on your vocabulary, your band will definitely increase. Now you said our professors, they were actually talking about, they give us a lecture. Instead of saying give us a lecture, you can say that our professor briefed us about the guidelines and they divided us into the different groups. Then हमारी टीम को क्या काम मिला? Our team were assigned to clean an area of about 1 kilometer within 4 hours. So I'm using the vocab assigned. I'm using the professor briefed us. The event took place and the अगर जो भी ड्राइव हुई उसका रोल क्या था? It was to promote the cleanliness. Then
yes, ma'am.
present scenario, आज का भी ऐड कर दो. अगर आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ पास बोलोगे, यू विल बी रनिंग आउट ऑफ द आइडियाज, नहीं बोल पाओगे. टॉक अबाउट, आपने आज का ऐड करा, नो डाउट, बट जस्ट एड इट मोर. That campaign completely changed my attitude. It's not that I've learned, I will be doing this, I'm doing that. That campaign completely changed my perspective, my attitude towards the cleanliness and the environmental responsibilities, that I will never throw garbage on the roads or on the streets. I always encourage my family and friends to use the dustbins. I have become much more conscious about keeping my surrounding clean. You talked about the example that was good, that during the campaign we collected plastic bottles, polythene bags, and the other non-biodegradable waste from the roadside and the public places. We carefully separated the waste and disposed of it in the appropriate dustbin. Then you talked about that what the Vice Chancellor, they did, the inspiring speech. They briefed us about the importance of cleanliness. Then you talked about कि उन्होंने बताया malaria. Then you can use some vocab. He explained how poor sanitation can lead to diseases such as malaria, dengue, which are spread by the mosquitoes breeding in the dirty surroundings. That speech, it had a long lasting impact on me. Got it? So the only thing is you have to, when you have ideas, आपको पता है आप 2 मिनट के लिए बात कर सकते हो, then you need to work on your sentence structure. Sentence structure comes under your grammatical range and accuracy. When you are adding an appropriate vocabulary, just a little bit more. When you are adding a vocabulary for the lexical resource, you are actually jumping to the band 7. दो चीजों पे वर्क करो. फ्लुएंसी आ जाएगी जब आपके पास आइडियाज अपने आप आ जाए.
It was my first try for the cue card in last 2 months.
Yes. So that is why I'm not giving a repetitive card to anyone, because जब किसी के आइडियाज आप सुनते हो, no doubt you can speak, but this will not be a chance in exam. right? So it's always better to try different uncommon cue cards. What I am thinking is that I will be giving you every time the uncommon cue cards, not the common one. And this technology disappointed, it was just, I guess, 15 days back. It just came in the speaking exam. Right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
band
ma'am.
7 वाली vocabulary पे work करो, not the 6.5. Sentence structure पे work करो. Activity क्या थी, आपने क्या किया? As I told you, what you learn, you have to add that feelings, that emotions. Just add more detail, your future plans about it. Clear explanation दो उसका. Good use of present, past, example and future. अगर आप ये structure follow करोगे, you are actually explaining your feelings in a very detailed manner because आप चारों के चारों की बात कर रहे हो. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to use less simple sentences but focus more on the complex one.
Yes, ma'am.
If you feel like that you just missed out any word, अगर कोई word भूल जाओ, then you can use your simple sentence but try to work on the complex more. ठीक है? फ्लुएंसी हमेशा, रिमेंबर दिस, फ्लुएंसी हमेशा हमेशा प्रैक्टिस से आती है. सिर्फ सोचने से नहीं आएगी that I can speak. It's for everyone. I'm not talking about Harshit now. I'm talking about the everyone who feel that we are not fluent now. फ्लुएंसी प्रैक्टिस से आती है जब आप बार बार प्रैक्टिस करते हो. When you try to speak those sentences, when you try to expand your ideas. I will talk about Kushal here today. Day 1, he was only able to speak about 1 or 2 sentences, what I believe, in the initial. But now he can stretch his ideas. He can expand his ideas more. You will be learning these tricks in the writing module कि हम idea को expand कैसे करते हैं. But here I don't want you to learn anything. कोई memorize चीज नहीं चलेगी. इसलिए I want you to generate your ideas on your own. Got this? So you have to think that how you can generate. जब तक thinking नहीं करोगे idea generation नहीं आएगा, कभी भी नहीं आएगा. Clear?
Ma'am.
Speak at least daily
Yes,
for
ma'am.
just 10 minutes, not more than that. Just 10 minutes I'm saying. I would not even say 10 minutes because the 10 to or 12 minutes is the entire speaking का test. Just less than 10 minutes, 5-7 minutes भी अगर आप रोज practice करते हो, not with the simple sentence structure, using a lexical resource, the uncommon vocab and the complex sentences, अगर आप 7 minutes भी रोज speaking करते हो on the application, you will definitely see a change in your band score. Band 7, it's going to be real for you. Right? Yes, somebody was speaking in between.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you talked about the strategy, past, present, example, and future. So, ma'am, in these past scenario cue cards, we are talking about our experience, and it is kind of an example. So, how can, like, what other things we have to mention in the example part?
So example, you talked about that specific thing, that how you collected those plastic bottle, how did you collected those wrappers, those bags and those non-biodegradable waste. You talked about that specific thing ना कि आपने करा कैसे. That is an example कि during the campaign we did this.
Okay.
Got it? Future may you're going to talk about that I would like to participate in more environmental campaigns. I would also encourage others to keep their surroundings clean. Right? And even this experience that taught me that real change can also begins with if you're individually, you are having that action, that small action. Future आपने बताया, past आपने बताया that how it started. आपने बताया पास्ट, प्रेजेंट आपने बताया that I'm nowadays also I'm just keeping my surrounding clean. It is my responsibility. I'm encouraging my family and friends. Example आपने बताया वो specific कि आपने किया कैसे था, और future भी आप बता रहे हो. So you can talk about four. And again, Harshit, as I've mentioned, these are not mandatory. These are the strategies given to you so that you can speak for that 2 minutes. This is not a guideline which is given by the IELTS official कि आपको यही format follow करना. It is up to you. You want to follow a different structure, but your ideas should not repeat.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? You can change it. You want to talk about present first, you want to talk about future later on, that is up to you. But generally, the structure is, which we generally follow, is we talk about past, then we come to the present, then we talk about the future conclusion part. Right? If you want to
Excuse me,
follow
ma'am.
your own strategy, you can speak about anything you want to, but make sure that it should not be a repetition of ideas. And always add 1 or 2 statements talking about your future plan, your goals. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yes, somebody was
Yes, ma'am.
speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ruxana.
मुझे आइडियाज तो मेरे पास बहुत होते हैं, मतलब कि आइडियाज आ जाते हैं। मैं जब भी प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ तो मेरा जो मेन इशू है वो आता है ग्रामर का। ग्रामर में मेरे कम होते हैं, लाइक 5.5 5 बैंड आते हैं ग्रामर में। बाकी चीजों में बेटर होते हैं, ये इम्प्रूव नहीं हो पा रहा मुझसे। कुछ मतलब
Ruxana, there's
लेक्चर्स भी
nothing
सुने हैं
which
ग्रामर
cannot be improved. आप कर नहीं रहे तभी इम्प्रूव नहीं हो पा रहा. If I say that मेरे से क्लास नहीं ली जा रही है, सब, I was on work in the morning. I had some important event in the morning. So I have
सॉरी मैम,
conducted a
आवाज
session in the evening. क्या मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ कि मुझसे सेशन नहीं ले जा रहा शाम को? Can I say this? No. I have to because I don't want to get this course
मैं
late. ठीक है, सो देर इज नथिंग. अगर आपको पता है कि आपका ग्रामर में स्कोर डाउन जा रहा है, क्यों जा रहा है, आप वो चीजों पे वर्क करो. देयर इज अ फीडबैक एवरी टाइम ऑन द एप्लीकेशन कि अगर ग्रामर गलत है, कहाँ गलत है, तो उन चीजों को स्ट्रॉन्ग करो.
यस मैम,
दैट्स इट.
मैं ट्राई करती हूँ सारी मतलब अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है कि ये बोलना चाहिए था, लेकिन बोलते वक्त फिर मिस हो
हाँ,
जाता है
तो फिर वो गलती तो आप
और
कर रहे हो ना बोलते हुए. उस चीज को आपने
कंटिन्यू।
बोला, आपको पता लगा कि इस बार मैंने ये सेंटेंस रॉन्ग करा था, यहां मैंने ग्रामर एरर करा है, नेक्स्ट टाइम उसे रेक्टिफाई करो ना. Make sure that you will not repeat it again. Right? There's nothing like that जो आप नहीं कर
थैंक यू।
सकते. You all are champions यार. You all are so good with your skill. The only thing is you need practice. I would say 1 महीना लगाओ, 2 महीना लगाओ, उसके बाद जाके एग्जाम दो, but not in hurry. When you feel like that you're consistently having that band 7 in all the 4 modules, तभी एग्जाम बुक करो, वरना एग्जाम करो ही मत दो. You need to be full confident that yes, मेरे तो सब में 7 आ रहे हैं, अब मैं एग्जाम दूंगा या दूंगी.
ओके,
ठीक
थैंक
है?
यू
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am.
Yes. You have to keep up that confidence. You need to be motivated all the time कि जब तक 7 नहीं आएगा, I'm not going to give my exam. चाहे मुझे 2 महीने लग जाए, 3 महीने लग जाए, I will invest time in myself. ठीक है, क्योंकि जब आप एग्जाम जल्दी में देते हो, यू फील लाइक अभी तो 6.5 आ रहा है, एग्जाम में भी 7 आ जाएगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. ऐसे नहीं होता. यू आर गोइंग टू वेस्ट योर होल अमाउंट, एंड प्लस उसके बाद जो डीमोटिवेशन होता है, इट डजंट फील गुड कि आपको फिर से दोबारा से स्टार्ट करना है, वो सब दोबारा से पढ़ना. इट्स नॉट इजी. When you get that score in first attempt, it really feel great. So make sure कि जो भी आपकी मिस्टेक है, whichever is your weakness part, हम उस पर वर्क करेंगे. That's it. I am here for just 1 hour with you. The rest 23 hours you can devote. Just divide your strategies, divide your time कि कैसे आपको वर्क करना है. ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स है, ग्रामर पे वर्क करो. सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा नहीं हो रहा, कैसे सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर पे वर्क कर सकता हूँ, वो ट्राई करो. लॉट्स ऑफ वीडियोस आर देयर, चेक करो. ग्रामर की भी है, राइटिंग की वीडियोस इतनी सारी है, राइटिंग की वीडियोस में चेक करो. पैराफ्रेजिंग पूरी पढ़ लो, बिकॉज अभी तो देखो स्पीकिंग खत्म होगा तब राइटिंग स्टार्ट होगा. इफ यू फील लाइक दैट यू वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस पैराफ्रेजिंग, पैराफ्रेजिंग के आई बिलीव 5 सेशंस है. यू कैन अटेंड दो सेशंस, उन्हें वॉच करो एक बार. दैट विल हेल्प यू आउट, that how you can write your ideas, how you can speak your ideas.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, anybody else, koi doubt, koi query, please let us know.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes, Mamta.
मैम मुझे पेपर के बारे में पूछना था कि मुझे एग्जाम फील करना है मैम. आप मतलब आई कैसे तैयारी करवा दोगे मैम आइल्स की?
बताओ ममता, मैं आपको कब से तैयारी करवा रही हूँ.
हाँ वो तो है मैम. इसके अलावा
आप
मतलब
मुझे ये
जैसे
बताओ कि आप तैयारी कब स्टार्ट करोगे, बिकॉज मैं तो बहुत दिन से तैयारी करवा रही हूँ.
आप करने
Yes. So when you feel like that now you are prepared, now you feel like that yes, you are scoring well enough, only then you can book your exam. Your target is, Mamta, how much score you need?
मैम 7 तो आ जाए सभी में.
नहीं ममता, फिर you are not ready yet. अभी तो you are not ready for 7.
मैम वही आपसे पूछना है कि मतलब आप इसके
अभी
जैसे
तो no, no.
क्लास के अलावा
नहीं. On a side practice reading में कितना स्कोर आ रहा है अभी?
मैम रीडिंग में तो 6 और 6.5 ही है मैम. 6 में ही रहता है, ज्यादा नहीं आता इससे.
फिर आप कैसे कैसे सोच सकते हो अभी एग्जाम के लिए? 6 में सेटल हो जाएगा. यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर PR, राइट? कैनेडियन PR.
हाँ जी मैम, मैंने आपको बोला था ना कि मतलब फाइल सबमिट की हुई है तो कुछ रिस्पांस नहीं आ रहा. बट मैम रिस्पांस कल मतलब उनकी मेल आ गई है तो उन्होंने आगे जैसे मतलब अब दोबारा से फेडरल में मतलब जैसे फाइल चली गई है तो अब मेरी आइल्स जो थी वो एक्सपायर हो चुकी है मैम 2 years बिफोर.
ओके.
तो अब उन्होंने दोबारा कहा है आइल्स करने के लिए.
थोड़ा सा और वेट करो. आई वुड से कि कम से कम राइटिंग होने दो, देन
मैम
and
वो तो
just
आपकी
keep
बात
on
ठीक है.
practicing, just keep on practicing. जब आपको लगे कि now you are scoring, at least reading listening थोड़ी और strong करो. राइटिंग का स्कोर AI पे कितना आ रहा है?
मैम मैंने नहीं सबमिट किया, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलती.
राइटिंग सबमिट ही नहीं करा, that how you can plan for your exam?
हाँ
आपको
मैम
पता ही नहीं है अभी.
तो ये आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कि मतलब यही तरीका है
I
कि
want, yes.
आपको सब जैसे लिख के आपसे चेक करवानी हो तो वो मतलब
एप्लीकेशन में शॉप सेक्शन में जाओ, वहां पर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट विद द टीचर. आप मेरे साथ मुझे स्पीकिंग का अपना टेस्ट भी दे सकते हो, ठीक है?
हाँ वो
1
मैम.
1. वहां पर
हाँ जी
राइटिंग टेस्ट बाय द एग्जामिनर भी होता है, वहां पर आप पिक्चर क्लिक करके अपलोड करो, आपकी राइटिंग भी चेक हो जाएगी.
वो हो जाएगा. और मैम लिसनिंग रीडिंग का मतलब वो उसमें से करना पड़ेगा ये एप्लीकेशन में से ही
हाँ,
सारा?
वो आप एप्लीकेशन में से करो. पेपर बेस करना है पेपर बेस करो, कंप्यूटर बेस करना है कंप्यूटर बेस करो.
मैम एक्चुअली पता है क्या, लिसनिंग तो मैं मेरे से हो जाती है बट जो रीडिंग है ना वो नहीं मतलब फोन या लैपटॉप
बट
पे हो
ममता,
पाती.
हाँ, आपको
हाँ
CBT देना है ना?
मैम मतलब आई एम फ्रॉम फिरोजपुर. मैं कोशिश तो मैम पेपर बेस्ड की करूंगी बिकॉज आई एम नॉट, मुझे आदत नहीं है कंप्यूटर इसकी टाइपिंग की.
तो ममता, पहले तो आप ये चेक करो कि आपकी सिटी में पेपर बेस अवेलेबल भी है कि नहीं है. ऐसा ना हो कि आप एग्जाम बुक करो और आपके पास सिर्फ CBT का ऑप्शन आए एंड यू आर नॉट हैबिचुअल विद दिस. तो अगर
मैम
ऐसा हुआ तो प्रॉब्लम और ज्यादा हो जाएगी.
यस मैम.
हाँ.
मतलब आज मैम यहाँ पे पंजाब बंद था तो कुछ भी अवेलेबल नहीं था तो कल मैं
I
जाके.
got to know this that Punjab is closed today. What is the reason? I want to know.
मैम
Why
वो
is it so?
सफाई कर्मचारियों ने मैम डिमांड की है कि उनको मतलब फिक्स किया जाए, उनकी जॉब्स जो है फिक्स की जाए. दैट उन्होंने इस रीजन से आज पंजाब बंद किया है. काफी दिन से वो स्ट्राइक पे थे बट उनकी कोई सुनवाई नहीं हो रही थी. दैट्स वाई आज उन्होंने 30 जुलाई को कहा कि हम पंजाब बंद करेंगे.
Okay. So it's going to be
यस.
closed for the next days also. Is it?
नो मैम,
Okay.
ओनली टुडे.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम ममता. लेकिन अभी आप एग्जाम नहीं बुक करोगे, अभी यू हैव टू वेट.
मैम 1 मंथ का टाइम तो है, मतलब 1 मंथ तो मेरे पास है कि 1 मंथ में
अभी
मतलब
अभी
कर
अच्छे
सकते
से लग जाओ आज से ही प्रैक्टिस करने पे, फिर वी कैन डिसाइड दैट यू कैन बुक योर एग्जाम ऑन. ठीक है.
Okay.
One more thing I want to tell you everyone, कल तो क्लास आपकी सेम टाइम होगी. It's 9 o'clock, as you know that every day we have a class at 9 o'clock in the morning, right? It's just for today that we had a class in the evening. So please do not forget to practice using the application. It will help you so that you can get a better band score. Every day आपको एक score मिलता है from the application. If you want, you can book a test with me for speaking and for writing also. Second thing, click on the remind me button for all of the next classes so that you know आपकी क्लास कब होने वाली है. आपके पास रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा जब भी आपकी क्लास स्टार्ट हो. Next thing, you know that we are going to conduct writing module very soon after the speaking. So tell your friends, your family, जिनको भी free IELTS classes चाहिए. Yes, Neha. Neha, yes.
हेलो मैम, मुझे पूछना था कि रीडिंग की क्लासेस कब आपके स्टार्ट होंगे?
Neha, we have a class every day in the morning, Monday to Friday, 9 o'clock.
ओके मैम, अभी स्पीकिंग की जैसे चल रही है
Yes,
क्लास, उसके
अभी
बाद राइटिंग
स्पीकिंग
है.
की चल रही है. Yes, स्पीकिंग के बाद राइटिंग, देन रीडिंग एंड लिसनिंग.
ओके.
ठीक है.
ओके.
सो आप कल मॉर्निंग में अटेंड कर सकते हो क्लास. आप एप्लीकेशन में क्लासेस में जाके सारी क्लासेस शेड्यूल है, आप देख सकते हो.
यस मैम, मैंने चेक किया, मतलब
यस.
स्पीकिंग की 12 अगस्त तक तो मतलब
हाँ,
स्केड्यूल्ड है
अभी तो
क्लास.
स्पीकिंग का चलेगा. स्पीकिंग के बाद स्पीकिंग जब कंप्लीट हो जाएगा देन राइटिंग चलेगा. It's a very detailed course. So
Okay.
every day we are covering every minor detail we are covering. ठीक है.
Okay.
Yes, Sakshi.
हेलो मैम.
Yes,
हेलो मैम.
yes, Sakshi.
मैम, मुझे क्वेश्चन था कि जो क्यू कार्ड में रहता है उसमें जो आइडिया, जैसे मेरे माइंड में 2-3 आइडिया रहते हैं, उसको एक ही को आइडिया को डेवलप करना पड़ता है ना कि
You can add
कि
2 ideas
2-3.
also. Suppose करो कि आपने 2 volunteer activity करी है, आप 2 volunteer activity भी बता सकते हो. There's not a problem. As I told you, they never judge your ideas, but they are actually checking your speaking ability. आप 2 की जगह 3 volunteer activity भी बता सकते हो, but your idea should be developed more. ठीक है.
यस मैम.
Okay then. See you all tomorrow in the morning. Bye bye. Take care.
Okay,
Keep on
ma'am. Take
practicing,
care.
please.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम. बाय.